Hello.
Hello, tissue blowing. I'll show you again. Oh.
Ooh, caught it. Do you know how we moved the tissues? We blew them. Air inside here. Take a deep breath. And blow it out again.
Some more things you can blow here. A dandelion puff. See, lots of fluffy little seeds. Now, watch what happens when I blow it.
And a pinwheel.
And feathers.
And a wind chime. And now, something else. I'll blow through a straw. Sand. I'll have to blow very gently, though. Watch what happens. Blowing sand about. We're going to see something else being blown about in an animation. Hear the wind? Oh, it blew the hat off. Watch where it goes to.
The wind blew his hat right off his head and back on again. The wind can be gentle and make the leaves flutter in the trees. And it can be very strong and make the trees bend and sway, bending with the wind. Come on. Bend with the wind, bend with the wind, sway. And bend with the wind. Uh-oh, the wind's getting stronger. It's tossing the branches around and making the trees bend right over. Bend with the wind, bend with the wind, sway, sway, and bend with the wind. The wind's easing off, a gentle breeze. Bend with the wind, bend with the wind, sway, sway, and bend with the wind. and the wind has stopped.